Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC90 on a 23 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot space for it first. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key or the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll then see we have reversing sensors. It's a 7-seat vehicle, so you can see on the left what it would look like as a 7-seater for boot space, and on the right what it will look like if you fold both rear seats down. You can also fold down those 3 middle seats as well, should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see the alloy wheels, firstly, are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly, before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on that left-hand side, we have the speedometer, the digital readout for the speedometer. On the right-hand side, we then have the rev counter. Within that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We are in park at the moment, of course. In the center, you can see we have the satellite navigation information. If we back out to the steering wheel, cruise control on the left-hand side, stereo controls over on the right-hand side, and into the center, the main touchscreen for the car. So this button at the bottom is the only physical button, and it will take you back to the home screen. From the home screen, you can swipe through these various options, both to the right and left. You can also tap on them to open, in this case, for example, the Google Maps satellite navigation, which, as you can see in reference with my hand, is a massive display. Back to the home screen, you can access your audio options from there. Your Apple CarPlay down the bottom here. You can, of course, connect up your phone via the USB in order that you do that. And you can see Android Auto is another option you have there as well. At the bottom, we can open up the menu we first started on, which is your climate control menu. You can determine where you would like the air distributed once it enters the car, the fan speed, the temperature for the driver, and for the passenger as well. Air conditioning is off, back on again from there. We've also got a heated front and rear screen. Down the bottom here, you can access your heated seat and steering wheel, both of which have 3 separate heat settings on each. On the passenger side, of course, it's just the seat, but again, with 3 different settings. You can see there's a camera icon there. That is for the parking camera on this car, so that you can change the settings and open and close the camera, or just put the vehicle into reverse, which is what I just did, and it will open up automatically. We have the main volume for your stereo and a few physical stereo buttons. This section opens up to give you some storage space and a 12-volt charging socket. We have wireless phone charging on here, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, 2 cup holders, electronic handbrake with an auto hold function. You can see the key just here to start and stop this car. That is the engine switched off, and that is it back on again. The key just needs to be in the car with you somewhere. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the car. So in the envelope here is the spare key, 2 keys in total, of course. We have the V5 registration document showing that it's a one-owner car from new, and then the service book with a pre-delivery inspection in 2023, and then services at the beginning and end of 2024. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to call us here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.